Hello viewers, the topic is how to change your video background in CapCut application. How to change your green screen video background in CapCut application in your Android phone. So first of all, open your CapCut application and sorry, and select the new project option and select your video background. So you can see I can select my video background and click your video for your select your green screen video for changing video background. So click add overlay option and click overlay option and click add overlay option and select your green screen video. So you can see I can select my green screen video and I have a change this video background. So you can see select this video and click cutout option. You can see and click chroma key option and click chroma key. So you can see customize. So you can turn off cutout struct. So you can see and select none option. So you can see I can change my video background and showing my video. Complete my video background changing video method. So like this video and subscribe this my Creator Tech YouTube channel, and share this video for your friends, and comment any question for your, and take care, and Allah Hafiz.